What's going on, guys? Chris back with you with another unboxing and review video. What do you got for us today, Chris? What do you got for us today? We have two different colors of Echo Dot 3rd generation stand holders. Let me go ahead and explain that and show you what it is. All right, so they come in two different colors. It's a very simple product, but very awesome product as well. It comes in white and it comes in black. Little instruction manual if you do need it. Here's an up close look at the black. Has kind of a semi matte glossy tone to it, where it's not very glossy, but you guys get the idea there. Cord management out the back with your plug, and your Echo goes right in there. Of course, let me grab my Echo so I can show you. All right, so what you do is you insert it from the back. It just slips in the back here, and then as we can see there, right up front. That sits on your desk, that sits on your countertop, and again, two different colors. My upstairs has black. Here, of course, with the white counters, white walls. I could go with black as well, so I could literally put that next to my coffee maker there. Draw a plug right behind the coffee maker here. Bada bing, bada boom, blends in beautifully. And then, of course, you want to insert it where your power plug is down below here, or your AUX, so you can link that up to an external speaker here. So let's go ahead and plug it in. Let me show you. Okay, with it plugged in, then, of course, your cord would go through the back here, and it won't interfere with the stand. Okay, so there we go. They're looking absolutely stunning if you wanted it a little bit more stealth mode in your kitchen, especially with the other compartments there lined up. That looks great. I'll show you what it looks like inside the white one. Alexa, tell me a joke.
Jimmy Fallon, take it away.
What is Paul McCartney's favorite drink?
What?
Beetlejuice.
You're crazy, Alexa.
He's pretty good at this.
He is pretty good at this. I'll tell you what. Alexa, you look real good in that black stand right there. Ah, she didn't understand that. Okay, let's see what it looks like in the white one. All right, guys, that looks great, even in the black on white. But again, they come in many different colors. Again, look for those links in the description box below for this exact product and the different colors on the Echo Dot 3rd Gen, which I highly endorse. It's a lot better, looks better than my Gen 2. Also tell you that this particular product does not work for your Gen 2 because the Gen 3 is slightly larger. A Gen 2 will not fit in this right here. But overall, guys, a very simple product, but very cool if you want to get your Echo Dot up, or if you want it to blend in with some motif around your computer desk, your kitchen, your living room, etc. Well, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Look again in the link below for this exact same product. If it sells in the UK, I will have one linked below as well, if not one very similar to it. So look for your links in the UK below, and US, of course, look for your links in the description box below. Smash that subscribe button. I got a lot more for you guys soon. Enjoy your day. Take care. Bye-bye.